I am excited to receive this Amoca wireless inflation pump. It's battery powered. It will replace an old plug-in electric one I have. It comes in this really awesome case. Everything fits in very nicely. The unit is well designed. Nice weight. USB charging cord. The unit is also a battery. Really good for those of us who live in hurricane areas. Mix of accessories. We're going to use each of these hopefully. And the hose. Very pleased to see that out of the box it came fully charged. We're going to use it to inflate this van tire. This van takes 44 pounds versus the standard 36, so just going to increase this to 44, and it confirms. Hit the start button. So it started off at 35, it's now 36, 37. Inflate a ball. I first put the ball adapter on, click the M button until I get to ball. The bicycle tire is completely flat. We're going to select bicycle and hit the power button. Now let's inflate this beach floaty using this tip. If you are stuck on the road and need a flashlight, press the U button and it turns this flashlight on in the back. And there are different settings of brightness and flashing settings. After inflating 4 van tires, 5 pounds each, 2 bicycle tires, a beach ball, and a backyard play ball, the battery went down roughly 50%.